Matos, our very young and active district supervisor of Dominguez District 1, Dr. Melrose A. Salihot, our school administrators, our beloved school head, barangay officials, IPE councils, our dear mentors, loving and ever supportive parents, fellow graduates, visitors, friends, ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant day to all. On this graduation day is a big celebration. The Department of Education gives the theme Graduate ng K-12. Hinubog ng matatag na edukasyon. K-12 graduates, molded through a resilient educational foundation. Before we depart from the portals of our beloved school, may I give my salute to everyone, to barangay officials. We offer you our thanks and gratitude for the support you gave us and all the activities we went through. You're the moving spirits behind our success. Our appreciation to the IBE councils who were able to guide the community, the parents who made our school progressive for our best opportunities. The concern you have shown in every undertaking is worth remembering. To our school head, who spearheads the school activities, you are indeed a great leader. For you do not only motivate pupils and teachers to work, but you begin with your own initiatives, with your own hands and mind. Congratulations! To our loving teachers from our school, how nice of you! You deserve the sweetest accord of love and gratitude. In rainy and in sunny, you cross the river just to ease our pains. Lighten our loads to give continuous sacrifice. For us graduates, you are a heaven sent. We love you. To our dear parents, mga ginikanan, the people whom we can count on through the years, work for you are beyond compare. You work, you sweat, you toil, just to give us education. You are more precious than gold or silver, labo pa sa bulawan. But in the years ahead, we will try our best to give you love in return for the love you have given us. God bless you. To our alma mater, we say goodbye. Goodbye means sorrow, but we are too distant to leave you to look for a pot of gold at the end of the rainbow. You sheltered us for 6 long years. Someday, we can come back for you. To our Almighty God, you gave our lives. You gave us love and everything that the best father would give to his child. May you shower us with more blessings as we continue our journey in search for education in our life. We love you, Lord. Once again, may I say thank you and God bless. We love you all.